For the first time, Google have made their Magic Eraser feature available on more devices than just the Pixel, and it's even on iPhone. Now the Magic Eraser is really clever, because it will replace parts of a photograph that you don't want, but it will do it using machine learning so it only changes the parts it needs to. We're going to open up the Google Photos app, and as long as it's got permission to access your photos, it looks pretty much like the Apple Photos app itself. From here you can then choose and select the photo you want to edit, and then at the bottom you press the edit button that looks like this. Now in Google Photos there are lots of automatic suggestions for you, various filters and effects and styles, but we want to go onto Tools at the bottom and then select Magic Eraser. Sometimes Google's machine learning will automatically detect things that you might want to remove, and it will light them up in white for you. In fact, in the next example I'll show you what that looks like. But for this case, all I'm going to do is use my finger and then draw over the area that I want to replace. I can do this fairly roughly, I haven't got to shade in the whole area, and then the machine learning will kick in and it will work out which part of the image I likely want to replace. Don't worry if you have to do it 2 or 3 times, sometimes it won't always detect the whole object you want to remove. Now, at the end of the process, you can't see any evidence of people, all you can see is that lovely landscape. Let me very quickly jump into a second image, and this is one of the beach, where Google Photos is automatically going to work out things I might want to remove from the picture, such as people in the background. Now while I'm talking, by the way, if you haven't already, please do subscribe down below. There are hundreds more tips, just like this one, to help you make the most of your iPhone. Okay, so on this final image, when I press onto Tools and then Magic Eraser, you'll notice that some areas have been found automatically for me. They're highlighted in white if you can't tell. Now you could erase all of these in one tap, or you can zoom in and tap on them individually to make sure you do want to get rid of them. And then, just like that photo of Dartmoor, this lovely seascape will lose all of the people, all of the shadows and reflections, and now you can just see the sea. There is of course one caveat to using Magic Eraser on the iPhone, and that is you need to be part of the Google One subscription service. I've had a membership for years to back up my photographs and to do my Google Drive, so you may well be subscribed already, but if you're not, you will need to do that before you use Magic Eraser. However, there are other tools available as well, such as Pixelmator Photo, which I'll link at the end of this video, which do a very similar job.